And it's full. It should be. I just changed the oil in this here just a few weeks ago. It's a recent oil change. Put that mile-long dipstick back in place. Check the radiator cap. Oh yeah, it's full. Yeah, bottom of my finger. It's full. Alright guys, I just thought that I would come on and make a video since we're in the new year now. Let you know that we're still here. And there's been a lot of work been going on since I've seen you all last. Yep, I have the new gas tank for the front, and I have the new rear tank on. Yeah, that was a long story short. I ordered the wrong tank, and I went ahead and just fixed them both. Also, if you will look, gone are the glass packs. And in its place are a set of Cherry Bomb brand turbo mufflers. Now they're just there until I can get new exhaust put on. It's still going to get new pipes. Budget kind of pushed things back a little bit. And I just wanted to go ahead and check the oil, antifreeze. I checked it while I go on camera, but you can see it's right there, safe level. I used the orange washer fluid. I had to add a little power steering fluid. Yeah, I got a leak. So let's go ahead and start it up so you can hear the mufflers. Yeah, it's been a couple of weeks since it's been started. Well, maybe not that long. It should start right on up. The Cherry Bomb turbos sound like. Yeah, gone is that cool rumble that the glass packs had. But it doesn't sound bad at all. Yeah, it needs fuel. Okay, well, let's do a little throttle wrap back there so we can see how they sound. Yeah, it doesn't sound bad. Also, if you notice, there's a hesitation to it. Not much you're going to be able to do with it because what we have here is old speed density system, and we're running a camshaft, oversized for a 351 and a 302. A lot of variables going on, which is not really compatible with each other, so that's the product that you get out of it. You can get an EFI friendly cam, but this goes back to when I built the engine and they sent me the wrong one, so that's what it is for what it's worth. I could convert it over to mass airflow. I've actually thought about it, but I don't know if I want to get into all that or not. So yeah. There are also some other projects I was going on. Oh yeah, I cut the tailpipes off. They're gone. They are history. They were just Swiss cheese and wasn't nothing. I couldn't patch them up anymore. Yep, and here we are with this piece of junk. Yeah, it's totally dead. Looks like the engine oil is going to be needing changed. It doesn't smell like antifreeze, it's just dirty. Well, I haven't changed the oil in but once or twice. Battery is totally dead. I'm going to have to put one in it, which is fine. It's probably going, well, it's going to get a transmission at some point. I haven't had luck on finding a rebuild manual, so it's probably going to get a junkyard transmission. I found a junkyard transmission, one that didn't have that many miles on it, at a reasonable price. And my buddy John, who's on YouTube, I forgot what his username is, he actually told me the other day when I talked to him on the phone, he said, well, you get a transmission for it. He said, I'll help you put it in. So that's going to be the project. So it probably will be a video when we do the transmission on this. Also, maybe by then we'll figure out, make the key work again. Yeah, it's been a mess. Yeah, so anyway, like I said, I ordered a gas tank for it, and they either sent me the wrong one or I ordered the wrong one. That I'm unsure of. And of course, by then, I was already in it too deep. I thought, well, I can get another gas tank for it. Either way, it was going to cost me at least $120 to make something work. So I thought, well, you're already in it this far. Go ahead and order the pump and sender for the back, and go ahead and order a new pump for the front while you're in it. So, and the sender was good, it just needed a float. I ordered a float for the front and new pump and sender for the back. And of course I had to do a fuel line repair. That was a pain in the behind. It turned into a nightmare, actually. So now I have both tanks up and going again. Now the next project is the blue truck, because I have tank issues with it. I got to order a switch, is what I got to have. And it'll eventually have to have a new tank on the front. Go back several years, you'll see me making it work for the time being. Well, I'm going to go ahead and actually work on it. So that's what I've been doing the last little bit. And I didn't make a video of the gas tanks because I was actually going to do that on a Saturday. It was going to rain that day, and I was busy, and I had a maternity photo shoot come up, and I was just busy all over the place. I just didn't have time to, you know, set aside and film a video of that like I wanted. So anyway, you know, there was a lot of stuff that's been going on that I wanted to video and haven't. Well, oil change is coming due on the blue truck pretty soon, so you'll probably see me working on that. Well, anyway, like I said, I hope everyone had a happy new year, and I hope that 2021 is better than the last year. And I hope everyone is doing well. I hope everyone is healthy and prosperous and all that other fun stuff. So anyway, I'm going to end this video right here. I've rambled on enough. Hopefully next time I'm filming, you'll see me working on something. Yeah, it's just been horrendous. So anyway, y'all have a good night, and I will see you next time.